Hello, I'm David Kernot, author of Gateway Through Time, Dead Man Walking and The Sycamore Tree, all published Writers of the Future Honourable Mentions. I live in South Australia and I completed the Writers of the Future online writing workshop in June last year. And here's my really cool certificate that I got after I completed the course. The course was really beneficial for me. As a writer, I think we develop our own way of writing, but the online writing workshop is a great lesson in the key elements needed to create not only a good story, but a great story. The course provides a really focused approach to storytelling. Even better, you get fantastic advice in the videos from Writers of the Future judges. Who doesn't want to sit down every day to Tim Powers, David Farland and Orson Scott Card? There's a lot of great advice in every one of these video recordings, and I think that that's the strength of this course. The essays from L. Ron Hubbard were quite valuable in highlighting different approaches around the creative side of story idea generation and plot development. It also highlights how to craft them into marketable stories. So there's a wide range of advice from L. Ron Hubbard, which I thought was really valuable. And for me, the course helped my writing. It helped improve my writing abilities by broadening my perspective on what separates a good story from a really good story. And the course shows you what steps you can take to make that happen. I thought that this was a really well structured course, presented by master storytellers, obviously. And some of the strengths were the bite-sized lessons, can be done quite easily. It's very well structured, as I've said, and the lessons are fun. And at the end, you walk away having a better understanding of what really creates storytelling than before you start the course. I thought it was wonderfully inspiring, and I would recommend this course to anyone who wants to learn to write, or those that can, who wants to write to improve their storytelling. Thank you.